today I'm going to try the Buzzfeed's 3-ingredient breakfast recipes. Yay! So I was Googling the other day, finding some more breakfast ideas because I'm pretty boring when it comes to breakfast. There's no in between for me. I either go for oats and fruit or a Cadbury's cream egg. There is no in between for me. So I wanted to like broaden my breakfast eating horizon, but I'm also a busy gal, so I wanted them to be really easy, throw together type recipes. 6 recipes with only 3 ingredients. So I thought, wow, this could be quite easy. So that's what we're gonna try today. I did actually see a few weeks ago, Grackles, who is a young Mary Berry and a total legend. You guys introduced me to her channel. And she did this with the 2-ingredient recipes on Buzzfeed. So if you wanna check that out, I will link it down below for you. But today we're gonna watch a non-baker fail at baking. Test number 1, we are going to try the banana, avocado, and chocolate smoothie. Sorry, I sing when I'm cold, and I'm really cold at the moment. Instead of chocolate milk, which is what they used, I'm going to use this vegan, plant-based chocolate ice cream just to make it a cold breakfast smoothie, because that's what I really fancy. Okay, so add banana, half an avocado. Now it's kind of healthy already because we've got your banana, you've got some good potassium in there. Oh, I just got it on this white thing again. Never buy a white tablecloth. Half an avo, which is all your natural fats, some of your greens, and now just to make it extra healthy, ouch, ow, vegan ice cream from Morrison's. That's very, oh, that is very chocolatey. And give it a zhuzh. Oh, it's not on. More ice cream needed. That's actually so good. That is actually delicious. Very nice. Would definitely recommend / I will be making this again. The next one looks like a healthy take on pancakes. Pancakes, and we're going to use 1 banana, 2 eggs, and some cinnamon. I've never actually made banana pancakes, but I hear they're quite popular. I like just the normal crepe pancakes, you know. I like a bit of lemon and sugar, maybe some Natoka. Grab your free-range organic eggs. I don't mind eggs as a food, but I hate breaking them. You know, that whole gooey element. Mush that in together. Oh no, I've got shell in there. Not selling it to me, the texture, I have to admit. It's a bit like cottage cheese. Those 2 ingredients, and then I add some cinnamon. It's basically Christmas here. Christmas all year round. Hang on, this doesn't look like their texture. Okay, well, I've done exactly what they've told me to do, so let's fry them and make some cinnamony pancakes. Oh, that looks like the shape of England, not a pancake. Let's put you in a circle, shall we? The pancake, oh my gosh, is looking a little bit burnt, but okay. I always like to look at shapes of what my pancakes turn out like, and this looks like some kind of fish. There's its fin, there's its tail. Wow, oops. They burn really quickly, just to let you know. Ta-da! The pancakes, I mean, I haven't tried them yet, but they've turned out a little bit more successful than I thought they would, considering it's just banana and eggs, really, with a bit of cinnamon. And they do kind of smell like actual pancakes. They got a bit burny, not gonna lie, especially the second one. It smells really nice. It smells so festive. Not bad though, the flavour's actually quite nice, but it does taste like definitely the consistency of an omelette. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. Next up is going to be an oat banana milkshake. This one actually does look healthy and it could be a recipe of choice. What they did was actually whiz up some oats first. I don't know why. I always hate dry blending things. It panics me. I also, oh, made me jump. That is quite satisfying. It's turned it into like oat powder. Now to add the banana. And then you add some milk of your choice. I'm going for hazelnut milk because do like me some hazelnut milk. This could actually be quite a healthy breakfast. It's got your oats, it's got your banana. Fairly easy. Okay, let's go. It's okay actually, it definitely tastes healthy. I mean, it definitely tastes like I could probably drink this and then go to the gym. Not that I ever go to the gym, but it does taste like, it tastes like the sound of a good start to the day. Okay, the next one I'm slightly apprehensive about, I'm not gonna lie, because apparently we're going to be making some muffins with banana, peanut butter and cocoa powder. There's no raising agent in this though, so I'm thinking, how? 9 bananas. They were making quite a few muffins. I'm only going to use 3 because I don't need to be making 54 muffins right now. Oh, this is not easy. It's like an arm workout. And I'm going to add a nut butter of my choice, which is peanut butter from Aldi, the foodie market. Oh, I hate it when the oil separates from peanut butter. And then either add, they separated the formula in half and they actually added blueberries to one half, chocolate powder to the other half. But I'm going to add chocolate powder and see what the chocolate ones turn out. If you had the choice, would you choose chocolate or blueberry muffins? I would personally always go for the chocolate muffin. Okay, let's put these in a little baking tray and bake them. I present to you my very burnt muffin tray that I've overused for literally forever, but it doesn't actually say to add any oil in this, so I'm not going to add any oil. I'm just going to add the muffin mixture. Muffins were actually much more of a fail than I thought they would be. You know, you can get those boxes of stuffing, you add hot water, roll it into a ball, put it in the oven. That's what these remind me of, balls of stuffing. In hindsight, they should probably go in for longer, but I did bake them the exact amount of time, which is what the Buzzfeed video told me to do. Good combination of flavours. The peanut butter is very, very nice. I like the combination of flavours. I don't like the consistency. They would take ages, you know. I think it's like the amount of banana that had to go in like such a small amount of the recipe. This one I'm definitely excited for. We are doing chocolate chip cookies. So they used oats, banana again. Banana is a very heavy ingredient in these recipes. Oats, banana and chocolate chips. They do say to customize it. Right, mush your banana. I feel like I've done a lot of banana mushing in today's video. If you're new, by the way, do subscribe for amazing content all about living your best life on a budget. My name is Sophie. What is your name? Let me know in the comments. So mash the banana together, then you add the oats, and then you add your chocolate chips. Very dry. I have a feeling they're going to be very dry cookies. Gosh, slouching so much. I'm the worst sloucher. I need like something to keep my back straight. I mean, the texture doesn't look the same as what was on Buzzfeed. I'm not gonna lie, kind of, maybe I need more oats. Okay. Cool. Actually looks like an okay texture now. So add your chocolate chips. Big tip, even if you don't like dark chocolate, always get the dark chocolate chips because they taste more chocolatey. Right, I'm gonna have to get my hands involved and actually get these on a tray. So sticky and so gross. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven now for 30 minutes. I'm not sure how the textures holding up. It's a little bit of a different texture to the Buzzfeed videos. It actually could be a healthy chocolate chip recipe, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, the cookies don't look any different whatsoever. They just look a little bit browned. So I probably should have made them a little bit flatter. I thought like normal cookies, they would spread out a little bit, but these aren't normal cookies. Not feeling that one. Basically all of the banana flavour has disappeared, but that was not what I was expecting. It's meant to make something called cloud bread. I've never actually heard of cloud bread. This is what makes me sceptical about these kind of videos, because this has a lot of steps to it, and I feel like if I'm using 3 ingredients, I want it to be quite simple. So first thing, we need to separate 3 eggs, which is my worst nightmare. The goo. Blimey. To be fair, I've done that really well, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, that was so easy. Well done, Soph. Congratulations. My dad always says go for the brownest eggs in the egg box because they are normally the best ones, apparently. So ever since that, I've always gone for like the really dark brown eggs that you get in egg boxes. 3 eggs separated. Well done, Soph. That was actually really good. So in the egg whites, I need to put cream of tartar, and this actually comes in little sachets into your egg whites. Very important, it's in the egg whites. Why does theirs turn out like marshmallow and mine looks like soap? What is going on? Okay, I'm sure someone will tell me why, but theirs turns like marshmallow and mine looks like Fairy Up liquid, the suds of Fairy Up liquid. And then you get your 3 yolks, add some a little bit of cream cheese. I actually don't have cream cheese, I don't know why, but they did say an alternative is a milk, so we're gonna go with hazelnut milk, so this could go extra wrong. Mix this together, your eggs, your egg yolks and your cream cheese or your milk if you're going to be a rebel like me. Pour in your non-fluffy, soapy looking egg whites. Bake for 30 minutes and it's meant to turn into something called cloud bread, and then you use it as like a savoury bread and you can put stuff in there. I'm not going to because it's a 3 ingredient video, Buzzfeed. I'm not going to add more ingredients. Anyway, let's bake these and see what it's like. My texture is absolutely nothing like what they said. Don't call me Mystic Meg, but I just have a feeling the cloud breads, do you know what, actually that looks quite good. It's a little bit runnier than what they did on Buzzfeed, but it looks better than what I thought it would be. These could actually work. Wouldn't it be amazing? I've never heard of the term cloud bread though, so I don't know if it's going to be a regular event in my house, but any kind of bread is my kind of bread. Haha. Haha. I think we can class this one as a fail. I mean, it's the right colour. It kind of looks similar if you looked at it on a 2D scale. But if you actually looked at the thickness, this stays in the 2D dimension, whereas their cloud bread turns a little bit 3D. There it is. Oh my gosh though, I see what they mean about cloud food. It's like, oh, it's a bit tangy. It's a bit tangy. This one's definitely a fail. I don't think I got it right there. I think out of everything, I'm definitely going to be doing the avocado, banana and chocolate smoothie because that was a total delicious meal actually. It was really nice. And some things with the oats because it's good to get your oats in. So it was like a semi-success. I feel like I probably failed just a wee bit, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.